With decentralized finance (DeFi) turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain framework world. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. Right now administering the Atom cryptographic money trades, Cosmos network is flooding ahead with Tendermint Core and its extraordinary Byzantine fault tolerance, having proclaimed its speculation worth $15 million. Universe digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos network helps the development of Atom token. Universe digital money, all the more prominently known by its local symbolic Atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing wonders. Before we start with genuine Cosmos cost expectation, how about we actually take a look at definite outline of the coin? Universe, Atom. The mystery decoded. Universe is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights shrewd agreement usefulness, as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any brokers included. Universe biological system additionally contains Cosmos Hub. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Universe network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine fault-tolerant (ABFT) agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Cosmos Hub. Particle tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency, the whole peculiarity and essential focal point of Cosmos, Atom, is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, decentralized applications, and non-stop turns of events and overhauls. Universe, Atom. The global advantage. Molecule clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred money through shrewd agreements, as Atom handles the change through nuclear trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional credits of Atom empower enhanced utilizations of existing applications, including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness, particularly in different layer arrangements, variety of application stages presented on Atom, making a strange encounter. Intertradability is one more key element of Atom through DEX's mechanism of Atom empowers scalability features supporting portable applications, and engineer packs are very easy to understand and have their free calculation. A plenty of DeFi applications can be posted on Atom sidechains. Universe forecast. Market sentiment. The more, the merrier, thus the more the specialists, the more the sentiments for Cosmos, Atom, cost expectations. News. Based on our cost expectations and Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos, Atom, value. The guess for 2026 is $173.331 in light of the ongoing developments. With a 5-year speculation, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos digital money market. As per our Cosmos figure and specialized examination, the Atom could exchange around $44.95 toward the finish of 2022 and $73.68 by 2025. In view of the ongoing cost and our Atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos, Atom cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. Our cost expectations bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. Future Atom cost is anticipated at $73.555041 following a year as per our cost conjecture. In light of our Atom cost expectation, the most extreme worth may be around $33.52, a base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022. The typical Cosmos, Atom cost for December 2022 may be $21.70. Universe cost figures toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. The Cosmos atom cost is estimated to reach $30.123 by the beginning of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $37.654, least cost $25.605. In light of our atom value expectation and cost examination, the future cost of the Cosmos coin could cross $38 before the current year's over temporarily. As per Redditor's cost forecasts, the atom cost is set to outperform the assumptions in the forthcoming years. By 2025, the Cosmos atom cost will penetrate the characteristic of $60.082. Universe atom cost expectations. The atom United States dollar will shoot up and arrive at a Cosmos value scope of $120.16, at last possibly scaling even to an astounding $1 trillion market cap, because of the ascent popular for DeFi resource in the following 5 years to stop by merchants. As per news and our atom cost expectation, a great deal of atom projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the outset idea search stage to the testing stage and before the year's over, a great deal of new ventures would have been finished, consequently, by and large around bullish value forecasts of crossing a record-breaking high of digital money, cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange, purchase universe, making it a productive speculation. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected huge energy. Toward the finish of January 2021, the atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25, yet from that point forward, it plunged to $17. Then, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a monstrous convention and enlisted another unsurpassed high of $32.14. Notwithstanding, as of late, it confronted a sharp decay. Universe cost to date waits around $30.26, with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a circling supply of $286,370,297 atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos atom is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Universe price prediction 2022. As per atom forecast, with numerous organizations and joint efforts and local areas subsidizing, the cryptographic money market glances back at atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful, however doubtlessly plausible toward 2022 in the transient's end. Universe price prediction 2023. With any progressions in GOVT.